Hello guys, welcome back to a new video from Oldman TV. So today in this video we are going to be showing you how to create a simple calculator using Python. For this project I am using Visual Studio Code, and we want to let you know that we just changed our channel name from Oldman TV to DRD BROS since our subscribers told us to do so, because our channel comes in the search results easily when it's in this name. So we just changed the name. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So guys, our code is over, but we have a little bug here. We After the first if statement, we have to add else if, which represents else if. So I'll just make them else if to make this correct. I'm just adding it. So we have reached the last one. Hello. Okay. So now let's run our code. I'm running our code. Let's see the moment of truth. Okay guys, our calculator is working. Let's enter our first number. I'll just enter 10, and so guys, the answer was correct. I entered 10 and 25, and it was correct. So guys, this was our video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share this with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.